Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to play C sharp in all three octaves on the flute. So for the first octave, the lowest one, you're going to get your left hand and place it on your thumb and place your thumb on the key at the back here. You're going to get your first, second, third finger and put them down on these three keys. And then on your right hand, you're going to place your first, second and third finger on these keys here. And then your pinky finger on your right hand is going to go onto the flat key here. Make sure it doesn't roll over to this one, just stays on the flat key. For the second octave C sharp, you're going to put no fingers down on your left hand and nor on your right hand apart from your pinky, which is just going to stay on this key here. So you've got to make sure that your hands are steady so it supports the flute. And then for the third octave, your fingers stay in the same place like before, but you just blow with more air speed. So in all three octaves it's I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you subscribe for more like this and share with others so that they can learn too.